Hi there, I'm Claudia, a cafe manager, and my job is to keep our coffee shop buzzing with happy customers and great drinks. Every day, I oversee the staff, ensure our coffee is top notch, and keep the cafe running like a well oiled machine. I'm in the coordinator cluster, which means I'm brilliant at juggling tasks and making sure everything in our cafe works together smoothly. To excel in this role, I need to be a people person, have an eye for detail, and be able to think on my feet. I started as a barista and worked my way up, learning something new with every cappuccino I made. Cafe managers work in all sorts of places, from cozy corner shops to busy high street chains. Our work is important because we create spaces where people can relax, connect, and enjoy a perfect brew. The best part of my job? Creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere where both staff and customers feel at home. Next time you're sipping your hot chocolate, think about us coordinators working behind the scenes to make your cafe experience special.